No self-respecting picnic would be complete without a platter of sausage rolls. Now these ones, they're so quick to throw together and they taste a million times better than anything you can find in the supermarket. So why not give them a go? In a large bowl, mix together the sausage meat with the fennel seeds. Roll out the pastry and cut it in half lengthways. Divide the sausage meat in half and shape along the pastry. Using a pastry brush, egg wash the pastry edge, then roll it up and seal. Cut each sausage roll into 6 and place on a baking sheet. Brush again with egg wash and scatter with sesame and fennel seeds. Bake for 25 minutes in a preheated oven or until the top is golden brown and the meat is cooked through. Now, whilst they're in the oven, let's start the slaw. I'm using a mandolin, but you can also use a knife for this. You just want to thinly slice the apple, fennel bulb, red cabbage, pop them in a bowl and mix together. Then toss with the lemon juice, olive oil, a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Now I can't wait to give these a try, so whilst I tuck in, do leave a comment below if you're going to try these sausage rolls out, and if you do give them a go, make sure you send us all a photo on social. Until next week all, see ya!